and all the way out. Good. And it's your neck and shoulders after that. You ready? Let's do it. Hey guys. All right. How are you doing today?
Sorry.
No, you're good. You doing okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? Sweet. Is your neck doing better?
It's okay.
Okay. We'll work on that. It's crazy how everything changes. I know we talk about it, but your low back hurts so much when you're pregnant. And then you have your baby and then you're like, we're good. All right, and then let's come right up here, open up shoulders, loosen up those muscles to your neck. Take a deep breath in and all the way out. Good. We're gonna come just a little bit lower and all the way out. Relax your shoulders. Very good. Okay, and then we're gonna use the impulse. We're gonna come through here, loosen that up a little bit more. Good. Have you had any headaches or anything?
Not bad.
Okay. So that's starting to get better. Have your sinuses, like pressure in your head type headaches?
Shoulder.
Shoulder, okay. All right, I'm gonna have you lay on your back. Get up a little bit more. Close-ish shot. Still better than mine. All right, we're gonna come right down here. Relax, relax. Good. And over here. Good. And I'm gonna pull towards me. Get those suboccipital muscles. This is the one that always puts me to sleep. Someone told me, they were like, I don't know if I told you this. He's a funny guy. He's like, I want a mold of your hands that I can lay on. I'm like, that's strange. I know what you mean by that though. Could like patent that, start selling it, you know?
Yeah.
Got occipital headaches? No worries. We know how to fix it.
They're Dr. Jen.
Dr. Jen's hands. You can go ahead and sit up. And then let's try that today and see if it makes any more difference. So we're gonna come right in here. This one's tender, just a heads up. But you've had 2 kids, you can do it.
I mean, more tender than your hips?
Yeah, that's true. I legit thought I was going into labor on Thursday night, and I was like, wait, I'm not ready, but I'm ready. I'm so confused. False alarm, clearly.
Might hit you. Might be like 5 weeks, like for me, full labor.
Yeah, I'm always like, it may not be exactly like it was for the first one. I'm like, that's the hard part. Like, you just don't know what's going to happen.
You're winging it.
All right, perfect. So did something a little bit extra. Let me know next time if that helps to loosen up that shoulder faster at all. Okay, cool. You're all set.